Yeah. Oh, that was the idea, was to go out there and fish out there? Well, that's the silliest thing I ever seen. Two women in a boat trying to fish. That's not going to work. I don't think the point in this exercise has anything to do. Mamaw's fitting to fall off in the water, is what's fitting to happen. She can barely stand up and walk. I don't. She wobbles and sways and falls and trips. Huh? Yeah, well, remembering to swim is a thing. Well, I mean, I can swim, but I mean, I don't know what they just dropped off in the water there. That's what I was going to say. They ain't nothing about this got nothing to do with fishing. This has got to do with what you see. This is absurd. Well, some people, you know, don't go fishing to actually catch fish, just sit there and sit, which usually, you know, if you're just going to sit there and sit and not try to catch fish, it get drunk or stoned or something first. What? Get drunk or stoned?
No, start catching fish the last month.
Oh, yeah.